In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do derivative of futures trading on BYBIT. This video will cover every aspect that you need to know: how to say take profit, multiple take profit, stop loss, how to calculate your profit and your loss, and everything that you need to know on futures trading. Before we get started, please do to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon. To trade futures trading on BYBIT, the first step is to click on this blessed asset. On the asset, you notice that you have two accounts. You have the funding account and the unified trading account. If you want to trade futures trading on Bybit, your assets, which is the coin that you want to use to trade, the USDT that you want to use to trade, should be on your unified trading account. If it is not on your unified trading, you need to transfer it to your unified trading account. To do that, simply click on transfer. I click on transfer, it's going to take me to this page, and on this page, I can simply transfer my USDT from funding account to unified trading account. So I'm going to tap on maximum. That is, I'm going to transfer everything. I'm going to tap on confirm. And if I do this, I'll simply transfer my USDT from my funding account to my unified trading account. Now that my USDT is on my unified trading account, the next step is me to click on this place that says trade below. When I click on trade, then on the top, ensure this is on futures. If not on futures, you can simply click on futures, it will be on futures. So now this is the futures page on Bybit. In this place, we get to trade futures. But if you notice on this place, we have this button here and this button. If you click on this button, you're going to take it to the chart of the coin. So Bybit has the chart option where you get to do your technical analysis, or do technical analysis, or you get to see important information about the coin that you want to trade. I'm going to explain this. So what you need to do first is you need to click on this button, right? On this button is where you get to select the crypto pair that you want to choose. If you click on this, you get to see there are a lot of coins that you can trade. You get, if the coin you're looking for is not on this place, you get to tap on this bar. From here you can simply uh search for the coin that you want to trade. But I'm going to use BTC USDT as an example. So I'll click on BTC USDT. So I come to this place on the chat button. On the chart part, I get to see the chart and get to see what the coin has done. You get, so this place, you get to see 24 hours high, 24 hours low, 24 hours turnover. 24 hours high mean the highest price that Bitcoin has gotten to in the last 24 hours, which is about $109,872. 24 hours low, the lowest price that Bitcoin has gotten to. 24 hours turnover, the amount that people are spent in trading this particular coin in the last 24 hours. This place is where you get to see the current market price of Bitcoin, which is $108,966. Here you get to see the charts. You can do your analysis. You want to do your analysis. Below right here are some indicators that Bybit has put in. With these indicators, you can simply use it to predict what the price movement you get. So you can see the EMA, the moving average, the Bollinger. You can set to add them, or you can set to remove them. So if you scroll down below, you get to see the order book. You get to see what people are buying and what people are selling. Like the price people are buying and selling. You get to see people taking trades and people are after. You can see majority of people are longing Bitcoin, means that they are predicting that Bitcoin wants to increase in price, so they are longing it. Get, so now before I continue, I would like to explain what futures trading is. Futures trading simply means you predicting price movement, predicting price movement of the coin. For BTC, if you predict that okay, the price of Bitcoin is going to go up, what you need to do is simply click on the long button. Long means you predicted that the price of Bitcoin is going to go up, and if you click on long, you long the market or you long the coin. If the price goes up, eventually you're going to make profit. Why? If you predict that the price of Bitcoin is going to go down, that means you are shorting. And if you short the coin and the price goes down, you're going to make profit. You get, the only time you're going to lose is if you predict that the price of Bitcoin is going to go up, you long, and then the price starts coming down, which means that it is going against your prediction that you are going to lose. Also, if you predict that the price of Bitcoin is going down and you short, and price of Bitcoin start going up, which means going against what you predicted, then that means you're going to lose. So that means if you have to this particular, as you can see, a lot of people are actually predict that. Well, these people were predict that Bitcoin price is going to go down. That's why they are shorting. While most places predict that Bitcoin, the price of Bitcoin wants to go up. That's why they are longing. So this is what it simply means. So now I want to trade Bitcoin. Yet on this place, we're going to choose your what, your margin. Get, we have isolated margin and we have cross margin. Let me explain isolated margin. So I have 48 USDT in my wallet and I want to trade Bitcoin. For example, I purchase that Bitcoin price is going to go up, which means I want to long Bitcoin. If I put this in isolated, as you can see right here, if I go into the market, I go to the trade with just 10 USDT. If the price goes against me and it hits my liquidation price, I'm going to lose just that 10 USDT. Get? But if I put this on cross and I go into the trade with 10 USDT. If it hits my liquidation price, I'm going to lose both the 10 USDT and the remaining uh, balance in my account. That's how it works. So for newbie, I recommend you always use isolated because isolated simply means that if you use 100 USDT to enter the trade and it hits your liquidation price, I'm going to lose just that 100 USDT. But if you have like 200, but if you have more than 100 USDT in your account and you go into the market with cross, you get, if you hit a liquidation price, I'm going to lose both the 100 USDT and the remaining balance. My network is at the up, that's why these things are not updating. After selecting your margin, next is to select your leverage. So you click on this place, you get to see your leverage. We have 1x leverage, 3x, 5x, and the maximum is 100x leverage. Leverage gives you the opportunity to earn more money. If I predict that the price of Bitcoin wants to go up and I use 1x leverage, this means that if Bitcoin goes up by 1%, I'm going to make just 1% of my profit or my capital get. But if I use 10x leverage and Bitcoin goes up with just 1%, I'm going to make 1 times 10, which is like 10% profit. If I use 25x leverage and I predict that Bitcoin wants to go up, if it goes up by just 1%, I'm going to make what? 25 times 1, which is 25% profit. Also, if you predict that the Bitcoin wants to go up and Bitcoin goes against you, you get, if you use 25x leverage, Bitcoin goes against you by 1%, you're going to lose 25%. And if you use 10x leverage and Bitcoin, the price goes against you, you're going to lose 10 times of your capital, you get. So that's what it simply means. So leverage gives you the opportunity to earn more money, and also if you're also losing, you also be earning at that same, you also be losing at that same percentage. I believe it is clear. So for newbies, I recommend you use just isolated at least 10x leverage. If you go above 25x leverage, that's like high risk trade gets. So 10x leverage is actually totally fine. Then in this place, we're going to select the order. Yeah, we have the limit order, the market order, conditional, and all of that. The most popular ones are the limit order and the market order. Now, let me start by explaining the limit order. Yet, right now, Bitcoin price is about 108,877,000. If I predict that the Bitcoin price is going to increase to 110,000, probably I did technical analysis and I've seen that Bitcoin price wants to go to 110,000. But before it gets to 110,000, it is going to first dip to, let's say, 107,000 first. So it means I want to enter at 107,000 yet. So I can simply come to this place and say price. Then I'm going to use limit order get. I put it on price. I'm going to tap the price I want to enter. Let's say 107,000 yet. So once I type this, so limit order allows me to put in the specific price that I want to enter into, that I want to enter into the trade. So on this order values allows me to put in the amount that I want to use to enter the trade. If I want to enter this particular trade with just $10, I need to do it, simply type 10 USD on this place. No, I'm not going to type 10 USD. I'm going to simply type 10 USD multiplied by my leverage. Since I'm using 10s, it will be 10 times 10, which will be 100. If I'm using 25s, it will be 10 times 25 should be 250. So I'm going to tap 100 since I'm using 10s. I want to use $10 to enter this trade. 10 times 10 should be 100. I'm going to tap on done. So once you have set that, the next step is going to put in your take profit on your stop loss. So you simply tap on take profit stop loss. Since I am predicting that the price is going to go up, I'm going to select long. If I predict that the price wants to go down, I will put short. But since I'm predicting that it's going to go up, I'm going to put long. So after setting my take profit and stop, I can see on my take profit when it gets to 110, that's like 70% profit. I'm going to make 6 USDT. And if it hits my stop loss, which is $106,000, I'm going to lose 2 USDT. So I'm going to tap on confirm. So once you have set this, if you notice that I change my level to 25s, so since I'm using $10, it'll be 10 times 25, which will be $250. So the next thing you need to do is simply do what? Simply tap on long. If I do this, it's going to give me summary. My order price, the price that I want to enter into the market is 107,000. Then the estimated liquidity price, which means that if BTC, the price goes down to $83,000, I'm going to lose all the money that I use in entry into this particular market, which is 10 USDT. You get, and this place is my take profit price, which is 110, and my stop loss is 106. We tap on confirm. If you do this, you can see right here, it is in your order. You have position, asset, borrowing, and all those stuff. But it's in my order. This one is my order is because I just placed the order, but it has not executed. It's only going to execute when the price of Bitcoin has gone down to what? To 107,000, because I put that it should enter at 107,000 dollars. When they are going to this place, this is when the price, this is when the trade is going to execute. Get, so as you can see, limit order allows it to put in the specific price that you want to enter into the market. So right now I'm going to click on cancel to cancel this. So if, for example, I want to enter into the market at this current price, I want to enter at this current price. So as you can see, all I need to do, you can see it only shows me order value. It did not allow me, it did not bring the box where I could place the price. All I need to do is simply type in the amount I want to use to enter into this particular trade. Since I'm using 25s leverage and I want to use $10, so you see the same thing. I'm going to put type 250 on this place. So on this place, I can simply tap in my take profit, right? So I'm long, since I'm longer, I believe that the price is going to go up. So my take profit, I said 110,000. And my stop loss, let's say I said 106,000. So you can see, okay, so you can see if it hits my take profit, I'm going to make one almost $2. That's like 22% profit. But if it hits my stop loss, I'm going to lose $6. So I'm going to tap on confirm. So in this place, I simply tap on long, and it's going to give me the summary. If I tap on confirm, I'm going to see that it has executed. You can see the position. You can see that it is not in position that the trade has executed. Get, the one that's showing order is my stop loss and take profit, which means that my stop loss and take profit are not been executed yet. You get, it will only be executed when the price either hit my take profit, which is 110,000, or hit my stop, which is by 106,000 dollars. So as you can see right here, this is it. So on this place, you get to see the position size, the amount of Bitcoin that I am using to trade, which is about 0.02. The price I enter is about 109,000. The market price is about 109,056. This is my unrealized profit, which means that the profit that I have make get. So now, how do you set multiple take profit? When you set multiple take profit, what you need to do is to click on this place that says set TP or stop loss. Here you can simply make adjustment to your take profit or to your stop loss get. If for example, okay, I want to take profit get, you can see right on this place, the partial position. I click on it. On this place, get to select your partial take profit or stop loss if you want. For example, okay, I want to take profit get, let's say I want to take 50% profit when the price has gone to let's say I put that the take profit should be 110. Instead of take profit when the price is about $109,500 to get. I can put it at this particular place. You can see I can put it. I want to take one profit, 10% profit, we get to 109,500. I can tap on confirm. If I do this, it means I have set partial profit. I can also set that partial profit again by tap on add. And let's say I want to take uh 65% profit. Get you can also use the slider. I want to take 65% profit when the price get to this. Let's say when the price gets to 197,000. You can set multiple profit at this with this. You get it's very easy. If you want to set the final take profit on this place, you get to put this like to put the amount you want to take. That you want to take 35%, 5%, or total. You get then this place you get to select the amount of profit you want to take and you can switch to this and very easy. Let's say I want to take my final profit. I want to take my final profit. Get I'm going to put this on 100%. So I want to take my final profit when the price has gone to it's 194. Let me change this to 198. You get this one to my final profit. This is what I'll be taking from my calculator on confirm. As you can see, I've set in multiple take profit and stop loss. You get I've set in multiple take profit. You get this is what means taking partial. So if you want to make adjustment to your stop loss, let's say you want to break even, you can do that at this particular place. From here, you can adjustment to your stop loss at this particular place. Taking partial simply means sorry, I don't mean take it partial, obviously take it partial. Breaking even simply means okay, your price has gone up, you get you predicted that it's going to go to $110,000, that's your take profit. Then now it has gone to $109,000. You want to break even. Can you break even by ensuring your stop loss? Again, make your stop loss to become your entry. By type in 109. This is my entry price, you get 020.1. So if I do this, it simply means that my stop loss is now my entry price, and you can see if I click on if I use this particular stop loss, I'm going to lose zero. Stop loss to be zero. This is what it means by break even. Very very easy. You get so if you go to your order, I'm going to see the different orders. This means different stop loss, different take profit that I have put, which will really trigger when you have gotten to your and take profit that you have set. So I'm going to tap on cancel. If I click on cancel everything, everything is going to cancel. So I'm going to cancel all my what? I'm going to cancel all the partial that I put except the last one you get. The last one is the original one you get. So this item is done. Also, you can also take partial by simply tapping on close by. Tap on close by and this place tap on limit. You can simply take partial and you can start to take 5% partial, 50% partial, 50% partial, and you can start to put the price that you want to take this particular partials. It gets very, very easy. So, and in this place, you're going to see your unrealized profits and you're going to see the amount you have made and the profit you have made from this particular trade. Very, very easy. So, guys, this simply I can simply trade futures trading on BYBIT. If this video was helpful, please do it to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon. If you have any questions about the comment section, I'll respond to your comment section. I'll respond to your comment. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.